After completing service or a repair on your customer's vehicle, it's vital to road test and verify the quality of your work and make sure your customer will be happy with it. Taking a test drive can not only help increase customer satisfaction, but it can help you avoid any liability in the future for potentially disgruntled customers. Let's discuss some test driving rules and 5 things you should prioritize when performing a road test. After servicing the brakes, tires, front-end components, or other safety-related parts, a test drive can help you make sure that you are returning a fully functional vehicle to your customers. This is important not just for safety, but also for customer satisfaction and quality control. You should never allow your customers to drive off in an unsafe vehicle that could potentially cause an accident or damage to themselves or others. Protecting your customers should be a top concern for you at all times. That's why test driving is so important. It isn't just important to do test driving after repairs. Doing so before can allow the technician doing the road test to listen to any noises or notice problems, as well as confirm the customer's complaint. With the customer riding along with you, this can help to hear the customer call out any noise issues or other complaints they may have. Before just throwing any old technician behind the wheel of a customer's vehicle, make sure you have a set of rules for your technicians to follow before test drives. For example, establish designated routes, make only right-handed turns during the drive, make sure the technician is easy to contact, and do not test drive vehicles that are in obviously bad shape. During the road test, try your best to follow the following 5 procedures as well. First, start the test drive with a baseline evaluation. This can help assess the vehicle's current conditions and performance and will allow you to note any unusual sounds, vibrations, handling issues, or warning lights. Second, drive the vehicle in conditions that mimic how the customer usually drives. This could include city driving, highway speeds, and stop-and-go traffic. Pay attention to how the vehicle behaves under certain scenarios. This could help identify any underlying issues. Third, use a systematic approach to how you do test driving. That way you can evaluate each system and component that was repaired. For example, test the brakes for smoothness, see how the steering responds, and check for any other abnormalities that may still be present even after service. Fourth, take advantage of your diagnostic tools and use them before and after the drive. Tools like OBD scanners monitor live data and detect any potential issues that may not be immediately apparent during the test drive. Compare the diagnostics before and after service to ensure everything is where you need to be to get your customer safely on the road. Fifth, and probably most important, emphasize safety during these road tests. Don't forget to adhere to safety laws, wear a seatbelt, and keep a safe distance between you and other drivers on the road. If you don't have test driving procedures, it's probably a good idea to get on that. Test driving can not only keep you safe, but keep your customers happy and understanding that whatever you do it because of their safety and to get them back on the roads. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. I'll see you next time.